Hey, my name is Paul. Hey, my name is Paul and...
Paul, welcome to our channel. Here we are doing...
Stop. Let's show it better.
See me rolling, they hate it. It's about to go. Let's go!
Want to check out.
Okay.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Amazing.
Woo.
Okay.
Dad, I'm hungry.
It's very funny how you're screaming.
Let's tell how everything began. So, Paul grew up and I wanted to engage him in the household chores. So, I was not very successful in that.
Clean up your room!
But for me, actually, it's very important to keep the warm and sincere relation. So I try to do something with that.
Yes.
So I decided to turn it into a game format, transform chores and helping me and mom for Paul into something fun and interactive, not dull. And I realized that thousands of families across the world facing the same problems. When you have to repeat, remind, and supervise your child's tasks, and especially while remaining calm.
Yes, please.
And since my job is to develop and create digital products for Apple and Android, my team and I decided to create an app that step by step in a gaming format would instill habits of doing household chores in easy, engaging, and playful way.
Oh my god! Wow!
Go to the task screen. Here you can see all the tasks that are assigned to your children. You can add new task and you can create custom one or choose from the templates and activate them and assign it to your children. Then go to the reward screen and choose the reward that will be desirable for your children. And that's it. Now you all set to working with the app with your child. Once your child complete the task, you will receive a notification in-app chat. You can approve it or decline. Once you approve it, your child will get the hard-earned coins and then will be able to claim the rewards right here. And it worked. Parents liked it.
And kids too.
Yeah. We even received feedback from several family psychologists among our users saying that they would recommend ASCII to their clients. And now, in order for more people to enjoy and improve their family relationship through our app,
And receive worthy rewards.
we decided to launch this YouTube channel where we have fun, engage sports, and have a great time together.
Finally! Welcome to our channel!
Subscribe if you enjoy what we do. This is the best reward for us. So, see you. Bye-bye.